What's up, guys? We're back with another live technical analysis. We just got done doing a Bitcoin technical analysis video and also a Litecoin technical analysis video. But now we're doing Dogecoin, one of the best, one of the favorite coins for all the people that like meme coins. I used to like Dogecoin. I don't even know if I have some anymore because it got stuck in the Voyager thing, and that's not going anywhere. Basically, they're just basically wasting all the money in lawsuits, and by the time we get anything back, I'll probably get like maybe $10 if I'm lucky. But basically, I consider that gone. But Dogecoin still around, still holding strong. So I'm gonna hand it over to Papi, and he'll take it over from here.
Yeah, Dogecoin definitely has a lot of money that flows into it. A lot of people, love Dogecoin. A lot of people will swing trade it, long-term investment for it, in hopes that Dogecoin is going to go to $1.
Mm-hmm.
So here we have Dogecoin paired with the US dollar on the weekly time frame, data coming from Coinbase. We have our overall Fibonacci in yellow from our swing high of 35 cents all the way down to our swing low here, which the 35 cents came through in August 16th, 2021. And then we have our swing low here in June 13th, 2022. So we just have it drawn from swing high, to swing low. And you can see, we've just bounced around. Dogecoin has played within here, just straight melting before this big pump to the upside. Then the next week pumped even higher, which here, man, I would have been calling for Dogecoin to go back up to 23 cents, the 61.8. Once this broke green here, woof. But it's just, it's red like this and the wicks are like this because it was just straight fill and sell orders that have probably been sitting there all through this period. All through here, sitting all through here. People put their, sell their limit sells right here, and it just got boom, slap down. So we have a trend line here that was drawn. The first touch point on January 10th, 2022. Second touch point here, which is April 4th, 2022. Third touch point to the upside was April 25th, 2022. And then we just extended it out because we, found it as it should have been resistance here, but we just straight blew through the top, retested again as resistance after we broke through, retested it again here on November 14th, 2022, broke above it, retested it as slight support, bounced off of it, but it looks like we're more than likely going to go to retest the trend line to the downside. And again, if it breaks our swing low here back in June 13th, 2022, I don't know where Dogecoin would find support at, to be honest with you. The Coinbase chart doesn't go back far enough for us to be able to look to see where support will potentially be, but really, let's just hope that Bitcoin starts to move to the upside, brings most of the market with it before a movement like this occurs on Dogecoin. And again, we consolidated for a while, for months and months on end. We pumped up to the upside, which was, let's see the percentage gains in this one green candle from swing, the bottom wick of the candle to the top of the green wick candle.
Oh, there you go.
That was 158%. My goodness.
Double
in
it
one
and
week.
a half. Double it and a half.
Right. Yeah. In 1 week.
In 1 week.
Oof.
And it's crazy that, we are very invested in AmCoin, full disclosure, guys. And, that coin is a little bit less than like half a penny.
Right.
Half a penny. And actually doing something. Look at Dogecoin. That thing is above the 1 cent. This is more expensive than the coin that is actually doing something. So it just shows how much potential there is in actual, coins that have a real life use.
Well, hold on. Excuse me.
What?
They said Dogecoin is going to be the official currency of Mars. What are you talking about? It's not doing nothing.
Okay, all right. Yeah, he's right. Yeah, he's going to be the currency for Mars.
Yes.
Because that's what we need right now.
Yes. Jesus Christ.
Oh, my God.
Come on now.
Well, yeah, no. Dogecoin definitely. Look at that. this coin still has potential. And it's insane that a lot of people, that this coin is still around because the whole point of it was a joke. And it's still, I mean, more people are taking it seriously. So they're turning into a joke, into something real.
Right.
So, if you find a good coin that didn't start out as a joke, it might be good. It's just going to, they're not as good as marketing like Dogecoin was. I mean, definitely it was out there. People that didn't even know about crypto knew about Dogecoin.
Right. Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, I mean, it's crazy. But yeah, I guess, do you want to go in a little to the day, see how it's looking?
Yeah, let's look at the daily time frame. We have to zoom out quite a bit for this. And let's just look at, what after that, 258% pump. Let me adjust it a little bit more so we could see it. I mean, you could see, we went just straight parabolic for that week-ish time frame, maybe about a week and a half to 2 weeks time frame. Came right back down. Again, this trend line is just a magnet. Pulled it right back down, pulled it right back up to it after we broke above it. It's really a magnet, regardless if we're above it or below it. And again, hopefully things, we had the movement to the upside. These lower levels here are retesting these levels as support. We bounced from there. We came back and created a lower low, another lower low here. And then this right here is obviously a lower high compared to this. And this here is a lower high compared to this. So, the potential there for Dogecoin is there if we could just start continuing to the upside. But I am worried with seeing the trend line going below the swing low of the Fibonacci, because again, this is just an absolute magnet, regardless if we're above it or if we're below it. Look at when we started moving. We went straight through it, came above, and once we started dumping, we just straight wanted to stick to it. You know what I mean? So we're stuck to it here. So, that's what technical analysis is looking at what's happened in the past. It's going to be an indicator for what's going to happen in the future. So, if this continues, this is just going to be a magnet. Dogecoin is going to be down around a penny again. It could be potentially below a penny. So, if Dogecoin doesn't start turning around, if the rest of the market in general doesn't start turning around, then things are going to get tough. You know what I mean? Things are going to get tough for.
Would it make sense to draw another trend line from that wick that you have there?
No, there wouldn't be any that are really valid.
Okay.
We could draw one. Let's just take a look here. Let's adjust the chart real quick.
So, I guess that will put it in a range, right?
It would put us in a triangle. You could draw a triangle, but just from looking with my eyes, it looks we already broke below the triangle. But let me show you what I'm talking about with the trend line. So I'm looking here at this red candle here on December 5th, 2022. Just draw on the top, and second touch point here, January 30th, 2023. We just swing it out here a little bit. That looks relatively good with me. Then we could start looking at ones to the downside. So here on October 10th, and then here on December 26th, we could draw another trend line. So here, the first touch point here, extend this one out here for that second touch point there. So then you could see we're in a wedge formation, whatever you want to call it, and we've already broken out of it. So,
so that doesn't apply anymore.
That's just showing you that it's bearish.
I got it.
You know what I mean? We're just we broke it. We retested the top of that triangle, retested the bottom, tested the top again, kind of retested it here before. We just melted right out of it. Yeah. So
it couldn't support it anymore.
That's what I'm saying. Is it's a magnet. That trend line specifically.
That's a great trend line right there.
Yeah, with these.
Even though it's going to the downside, it's a good trend line.
Yeah, it baby is a magnet, dude. Yeah. So really, with Dogecoin is if you love the coin, continue to dollar cost average. You know what I mean, and be realistic with yourself. If Dogecoin goes back under a penny, again, just continue to dollar cost average, because again, one day Dogecoin will have that, 250% pump in a week.
Oh yeah, because people are they're basically just wait. That's what they're waiting for. Just that good, nice pump that's gonna get everybody back into Dogecoin and make it go to the moon again. Because that's what they're waiting for, actually.
Oh yeah, it's a hype coin.
Yeah, so it's all about the hype. So if there's hype around it, people are gonna flock to it again.
Right.
And maybe hopefully some people make their money back. Some people probably not gonna make their money back, and some people will make a lot of money.
Yeah.
If they're if they were smart enough to doing what Crypto Papi is saying, dollar cost averaging, keeping if you're on a coin by this time, and if you're heavy into a coin, there's no point in selling it anymore. It might be wise to probably DCA to bring your dollar cost average down, so you get more profit when it does turn around. Later on in the time frame.
Which is not financial advice.
Not fun. Yes, I almost forgot to say that.
Ooh, dollar cost average. Come on now.
Just put all your money on one coin. No, I'm kidding.
No financial advice.
No financial advice. Don't do that. No, yeah. But I guess that's it for now, guys. There's not much else to say about Dogecoin. It's just on a downtrend, and pretty much the whole market is in a bit of a downtrend. We talked about Bitcoin, how it's kind of like, if it goes a little lower and it doesn't stay above the price that we're at right now for the end of the month, then we're probably looking at more pain. And hey, we're here for the pain. We've been at this for almost 2 years now, right?
Yeah.
It's almost 2 years since we've been, AMP had a good pump, and we've been dollar cost averaging for a while, and it's just about waiting. We just wait for that right time, and you never know, guys. But anyways, it was nice seeing you guys. Well, talking to you guys again. We'll catch up with you guys later, and let me see. Let me show you guys display capture. I gotta show you. Where's that guy? But anyways, if you go back to my Bitcoin video, if you're watching this, the last guy that followed my YouTube channel, you won a Ledger Nano X. So get a hold of me. Comment down on the video, on any video, doesn't matter where. Contact me on social media. It doesn't matter. Just get a hold of me, because if you don't claim it, then I'm going to give it to the next person down below my subscriber list, or I find somebody that's actually watching this thing. Okay?
Yeah.
And, hey, it's just a matter of time when people will find this channel. Okay? So it was nice talking to you guys. I will catch you guys later. Peace.